Welcome to the match. This is a crucial win game for both teams. And this is the starting 11 for the visitors today. Kickoff. Try the through ball. Nice through ball. That was an amazing save. Knocks it toward the front. Square pass. Beautiful through ball. Well-timed tackle. Breaking free. Nice one. A very timely interception. The cross is coming in. Pressure forced the error. Losing possession. Pass back. Pushing it forward. Through ball. A through ball attempt. Opening phase of the game complete. Promising signs from both sides. Seeking out a passing lane. Might be able to get in behind the defense. Fails to keep the ball. Good play one-on-one. Fails to keep the ball. Heavy shot. That's a perfect goal! Being behind is a big challenge for the team. Despite that setback, still in the driving seat. Square pass. Threaded through. Here's the delivery. Left through. Through ball. Might be able to get in behind the defense. Nice through ball. Carrying the ball forward. Nice clean through. Another goal. A brilliant brace. Lifting the whole team's spirits. There goes the ball. Knocks it toward the front. A through ball attempt. Wonderfully weighted pass. Losing possession. Beautiful footwork. The game hasn't gone their way. Plenty to consider based on what we've seen so far as the second half begins. Fails to keep the ball. Losing possession. Beautiful through ball. Fails to keep the ball. Pushing it forward. A through ball attempt. Seeking out a passing lane. Knocks it toward the front. Pass backwards, a bit passive. Golden opportunity! Clears it out of harm's way. Threaded through. Well-timed tackle. Long pass. Nice long ball. Might be able to get in behind the defense. Quickly released. Through ball. Beautiful through ball. Carrying the ball forward. Fails to keep the ball. Pushing it forward. A through ball attempt. Nice through ball. Pretty comfortable piece of defending. An effective clearance. Might be able to get in behind the defense. Threaded through. Good ball movement and a decent position here. Position at the back post. Poor decision making. Through ball. Tried a through ball. Fails to keep the ball. We will have some additional minutes at the end here. No more time left, the referee says, and that will do. The game is about to start. Hope to see a fierce match today. Let's see the manager's choices. That's the whistle. Kickoff. Might be able to get in behind the defense. A through ball attempt. Looking for options. Knocks it toward the front. Square pass. Tried a through ball. Good ball movement and a decent position here. Good play one-on-one. Secure in possession. Score! Face to face with the goalkeeper. Opening quarter of an hour complete. Teams looking to establish control. Losing possession. Unable to hang on the ball. That's good pressing. So we'll restart with that throw-in. Forward long pass. Oh, great vision. Looking for options. Losing possession. Fails to keep the ball. Knocks it toward the front. Might be able to get in behind the defense. Great anticipation there. The goalkeeper has done exceptionally well. A very timely interception. Losing possession. Reads the play beautifully. The team is showing aggression, grabbing the lead early in the game. Nice through ball. Nice block. Reads the play beautifully. Beautiful through ball. Square pass. Square pass. Knocks it toward the front. Out to the left it goes. So we'll restart with that throw-in. Losing possession. Oh, good save. That's a splendid clearance. Pushing it forward. Well, that's the end of the first 45 minutes. The second half begins. Pressure forced the error. Seeking out a passing lane. Is it in? Plenty of power on that. Hit the post. It has to be. What an amazing save. The keeper just saved the team. Nice through ball. This might be the moment to get ahead. Goal! Still in control of the scoreline, but that's a wake-up call. Keeping possession. Nice block. Through ball. Hour mark reached. Tempo starts to drop slightly. Fails to keep the ball. Reads the play beautifully. Carrying the ball forward. Tried a through ball. Threaded through. Might really be able to trouble them here. Into open space. Clear sight of goal. Goal! The score is now 2-1. Pinpoint pass. Pushing it forward. Through ball. Regain possession. A very timely interception. What a good pass that is. Couldn't quite get them. Good play one-on-one. Proving unstoppable today. They are making a change. Again. A through ball attempt. Threaded through. Knocks it toward the front. Nice through ball. Oh, brilliant goalkeeping. Clear away to safety. pushing it forward. Tried a through ball. Knocks it toward the front. Pushing it forward. They've decided that now is the time for him to go to the bench. They're looking to create space. Pass back. Knocks it toward the front. Through ball. Referee has blown the whistle, and we have a final score.